I love coming home to a completed print. Let's see what we got. And for some reason, once I put the Sonic pad on when it gets done, it displays the print over there. Go figure. Man, these plates are something crazy. I gotta put this in my tripod because I'm not gonna be able to get this thing off here. That's why I print on a raft when I use this bed, when I use this bed, because you cannot get that stuff off there. It's a little ridiculous. Damn it. Darn it, sorry. Okay, once you get your putty knife in there, then bang. There we go. I love NASA fabric. Albeit, this raft doesn't leave the best front finish on it. But when you print this with a brim, I guess you could do it only on the outside, but with the brim, it just doesn't get as flexible. This stuff. Man, I love it. Sorry, I was cutting you off there. Look, get you some NASA fabric. Scale your X and Y out. Put as much on there as you can. I mean, I don't go neck. I get about close to my extrusion line. You know, not right on the edge, but it's disappointing when it only prints you a small one, which is what the file typically is. This one is PET G. I scaled the Z up on this one too. I only scaled the X and the Y, and it is so much more flexible. Lighter, flexible, feels more like a sheet. This one's got carbon fiber PET G, and it's taller. About a 1/4 inch taller there. Get you some.